Ready to launch your SMS campaign? Simply top up your account by following these easy steps, and you're all set. First, log into your SMSLocal account. If you haven't signed up yet, simply create an account to get started. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the wallet icon. This will open your wallet dashboard. You can top up your wallet easily by entering your card details or using PayPal. Choose the option that suits you best. Once your balance is topped up, you're good to go and can start your campaign. Your account is ready. Here's how to create your bulk SMS campaign. Name your campaign to stay organized, like holiday sale or customer reminder. Set your sender ID. Use your business name or a custom ID for easy recognition. Choose the account for sending messages. Managing multiple accounts is simple, so select the best one for this campaign. Next, add your recipients. You can either import contacts directly or manually enter their numbers. You also have the option to create and add groups. Craft your message short and sweet. SMSLocal shows message parts and total cost up front. Ready to launch? Send your campaign now or schedule it for later. Scheduling is ideal for targeting different time zones to ensure perfect timing. Double-check your campaign summary for recipients, message parts, and pricing. If everything's set, click Send. Create campaigns easily with SMSLocal. Support is just a click away. Start now. Log into SMSLocal and start running successful campaigns today.